Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, April 22nd, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Futures were higher. Now they are lower by 10.25 points. Right now, when you look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, they are falling quite a bit here. Really, markets were just trading sideways for the most part. Then you got a pretty good little dip. And we'll see how today plays out. If you look at last night's tape, you'll see really right around 10 o'clock in the evening, markets started to really tumble, and they've been down pretty much in this range ever since. So we'll see what today gives us. We'll see where it goes, but we have lots of stocks in the news. Again, earnings season is upon us. Today's a Monday. We have a little bit of a lighter tape on Mondays, but once we get to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, just tons and tons of earnings to be reported this week. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great start to earnings season, great start to 2019, and a sensational 2018 in the intraday stock chat room. So if you haven't done so, come take that 7-day free trial, and you can trade right alongside of us. All right, let's get started here. We're going to start off with KMB, which is Kimberly-Clark. And this stock right now trading at 127.87. Closed at 123.55. I believe this is on the back of earnings. So good little pop there. I think there's a lot of resistance up here, though, around the 130 level. Nothing I would do if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone at this moment. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Another earnings play out here today is Halliburton, HAL. Stock is trading at $31.90. Closed at $31.13. And again, this got up above the 32 level. Couldn't really hold it as of now, but it's trying. So we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. There's really not much I would do with Halliburton right off the bat here. We'll look at this one again once the opening bell rings a little bit later. You also want to look at a few other names in the space. You could actually just look at the OIH. You could see that's trading a little bit higher today. This is the ETF for all the oil services names. So again, keep that on the radar. That could be in play a little bit later today. Let's take a look at STLD, Steel Dynamics. Stock right now is trading at $33.70, closed at $33.96. Again, there's earnings out here on this one. Not much I would do there. Let's take a look at Intuitive Surgical, ISRG. They had earnings on Friday. Stock trading at $4.91. I think there's going to be some support around $4.83. This is a mathematical level that I worked out. But again, it's a light volume name and it's a high price stock. So company that doesn't trade 1 million shares a day on average, you really want to be careful because they can overshoot levels. But around 483, I do start to get a little interested in the ISRG. Let's take a look at Lam Research. LRCX is the ticker symbol here. This was upgraded today. Looks like right now it's trading at 196. Closed at 194.77. So we'll see where this one goes. Now, the big news of the morning is really coming out of the White House. It looks like they are no longer going to give Iran a sanction waiver. They're going to cancel that on May 2nd. So they're going to try to stop Iranian oil to come to market. And you got to have to watch all of these energy stocks today. But if we take a look at like Chevron, that is catching a good little bid. ConocoPhillips catching a nice little bid. We'll see how this all plays out. When you move over to the oil market, you're going to see crude oil today trading up $1.51 to $65.58 a barrel. If you look at the USO, that's trading at $13.64, closed at $13.32. So oil is on the move after this news, and a lot of the big energy stocks are also in play today. So again, we're going to keep all of those on the radar, and we'll see what this market gives us. Looking over at the gold market today, you're going to see gold futures trading up $2.90 to $1,278 an ounce. I don't think we can make too much out of gold. If you look at the GLD, that's trading at 120.59 at the moment. So again, lots of moving parts out here, lots of geopolitical news. Right now, the futures are down 11 points. That usually means we're going to get a lot of activity. Earnings are a little on the light side for earnings season, but nothing terrible out here, and we'll see what we get today once this opening bell rings. I'm going to leave it here, short and sweet. I want to wish everybody a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.